Well, now we have completed what? Modulus operator. Now, in our life, we are assuming that we are writing first C program in our life, right? If you want to write C program, minimum we require something. What is something we require to write a C program is, listen carefully. First thing what we require is void. What is void? We don't know. Next we require is main. What is main? We don't know. Open bracket, close bracket, open curly brace, close curly brace. That's all. This is a valid C program. Without these 3 lines or 4 lines of code, you can never ever construct a C program. If you want to construct C program, minimum thing is required. But what is void? What is main? What is open bracket, close bracket, curly brace? That will be discussed in upcoming videos. You just to travel with us, that's all. Now, small thing we are going to discuss here. Listen carefully. Printf hello. Well, what is the output of this code? The answer is hello. If you don't know, not required to worry, and don't worry at all. Some people are thinking, why I got hello? I did not include the header file. If you are not believing in me, take any compiler, you try to put this code and get the output, it will work. Not required to worry. Then immediately we have a question, why the hell header file is needed? That we will discuss later. Okay. Now our intention is some other thing. Just come with us. Now let us take, I am writing void main, open bracket, close bracket, open curly brace, printf, open bracket, hello, close bracket, semicolon, curly brace. If you write like this, can someone guess how many errors we are going to get here? 1, 2, more than 5, more than 10, no errors? Well, the number of errors here we are going to get is 0. Surprised? Not required to surprise. I will tell why we will get 0 errors. But before telling why we got 0 errors, first you need to understand one important point. Okay, sir, have you listened anytime one term called token? Might be we listened in our college canteen or library. Oh, library we will never go, no problem. Might be banks, hospitals. For one person, how many tokens they will give you? Only one token, right? Well, let us take one small important word, English. Well, here the question is, how many tokens are there? The token I am going to call here as a letter. If I tell letter, how many tokens are there? 7 tokens are there. If I tell English is a language, now how many tokens are there? So if you want to tell how many tokens are there, first you need to know what is a token. If a token is a word, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tokens. If a token is a letter, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, more than 10 tokens are there. If a token is a sentence, we have 1. So from these 2 examples, what we decided, token can be letter, token can be word, token can be sentence. Smallest individual unit is called token. Smallest individual unit is called token. Smallest individual unit in C language is called C token. Understand? Smallest individual unit in C language is called what? C token. Very important point I am discussing. In this example, what are tokens? Letters, words, sentences. Smallest individual unit in C language is called C token. C tokens are C tokens are keywords, operators, separators, constants, identifiers. Try to understand, again I am telling, smallest individual unit in C language is called C token. C tokens are keyword, operator, separator, constant, identifier. Next point, there can be n number of spaces, n number of tabs, n number of new lines between 2 C tokens. What I mean is, between 2 C tokens I can have how many spaces? N spaces. Or how many tabs? N tabs. Or how many new lines? N new lines. Now understand. So Might be you are listening for the first time, you feel tough, but try to listen 2 times, it will be comfortable only and easy concept, don't worry at all. Here how many tokens are there? We'll see it here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Totally how many C tokens are there? 11 C tokens are there. So if some people are trying to write GATE exam with respect to computer science group, this type of questions are coming. They'll be giving you a piece of code. You need to identify how many tokens are there in the code. Okay, token related question this is. Well, what are C tokens? Keywords. Is there any keyword here? Yes. What is the keyword? Void. Any operators? Well, open bracket, close bracket, open bracket, close bracket, open bracket, close bracket. 4. So some people are telling, sir, previous videos you told these are not operators. No, there we were talking with respect to expressions, but here we are talking with respect to functions. That will come in the future. Next, separators. Open curly brace, semicolon, close curly brace. 3. Next, constants. Any content which we write in the pair of double quotes. Pair of double quotes is a token. So this is a string constant that we will discuss in the future. Next we have identifiers. Well, so main is a function name. So 1. Next, printf is another function name. 2. Now you count. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 2, 11 C tokens. Now, between 2 tokens, how many spaces? Any number of spaces. How many tabs? Any number of tabs. How many new lines? Any number of new lines. So, void is one token, main is another token, this is another token, and goes on. That is the reason this program answer, what is the answer? Hello. Both are 100% same. Why? Both programs are taking same time. Both programs are executing in the same time and output also same. The only difference between these two programs is this is following good indentation. This is following what? Good indentation. What is the meaning of indentation is when you start the curly brace here, you close the curly brace here. When you open the bracket here, you close the bracket here. When you open the bracket here, you close the bracket, right? That is called what? Indentation. But this program, when you start here, if you get any error, you need to see where the close curly brace or you need to know where the semicolon is. You really need to know which statement is terminated with, right? This program is called bad indentation. So, being you as a programmer, from today, from this minute onwards, always follow good indentation, never follow bad indentation. In interviews, if you write bad indentation, they may not be happy and you may lose the opportunity. Don't do that type of mistakes in the exams. Okay, always follow good indentation. And one important notice, when you go to C programming or C++ or Java, good indentation is allowed, bad indentation is allowed, but we write good indentation. Python forcibly does not allow bad indentation. Python programmers should always follow indentation. Very important. So now we wrote printf hello, right? We got hello. How we got hello? That we need to do some analysis. So this is little important. Out of this discussion, 1 or 2 questions will come in the exam. So please focus, and I always recommend you to write. So the concept name is what? Printf. Okay, first point. You just write the notes along with me. It's a good practice. It will print first argument on the screen. It will print first argument on the screen. What is the job of the printf? Printf will print first argument on the screen. Second point. First argument must be in double quotes. First argument must be present where? In double quotes. Third point. If more than one argument, then every argument must be separated by commas. So what is the job of the printf? It will print first argument on the screen. First argument should be present in the double quotes. If you are having more than one argument, every argument must be separated by commas. Very important that is. Now we'll see some examples. First one, let us write printf hello. So understand, if you straight away write this line, you will not get the output. I told you, whatever the things you want to write, you need to write in the curly brace of the main. Okay, but every time I cannot write void main. That is the reason I am writing the normal code. Okay, now what is the answer? We will get hello. Let us take another question. Printf can you please see, very important point this is, both programs are not same. However you write, that way only it is printed. Okay, so if this is your screen, how the output will come? Space hello, and the cursor will be blinking here. Understand? Here hello is printed and cursor is blinking here. You got the difference between these two. Look and feel is taken care by programmer. Look and feel is taken care by programmer. Understand? This is important. Hello, percentile D, ABCD, percentile D, 10, 20. First we'll try to understand the question in you. Okay, always try to understand the question. Spend more time in understanding the question, then you can solve it easily, right? First step, how many arguments are there here? First argument, comma, second argument, comma, third argument. But printf will print which argument? First argument. First argument should be present where? In the double quotes. Well, printf will print first argument except format specifiers. If there is a format specifier, that format specifier is replaced. How is it replaced? Is first format specifier is replaced with the second argument. Second format specifier is replaced with the third argument. Understand? So first, what is the answer? HELLO. First format specifier is replaced with the second argument. Percentile meant to print integer. Here also we have integer. So this percentile is replaced with 10. Next what? A, B, C, D. Second format specifier is replaced with the third argument. So that is the reason this is replaced with what? 20. So again I am telling, printf will always print first argument. In the first argument, if there is a format specifier, that format specifier is replaced. How is it replaced? First format specifier with second argument, second format specifier with third argument, nth format specifier with n plus 1th argument. Next, let us take the fourth example. I hope you people are writing the notes. Well, now you just tell the output. So always 10, next what? Hi, next what? 20, next what? X, Y, Z. Well, so we'll solve some more problems. Well, first, how many arguments are there? You need to know. 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer? First one? 10. Second one? 20. Third one? 30. Well, now sixth one. What is the answer? 10, 20, 30. Have you seen the difference between fifth example and sixth example? In the fifth example, programmer provided space. In the sixth example, programmer not provided space. If you provide space, space is printed. If you don't provide space, space is not printed. Okay. So that is the reason first one 10 space 20 space 30. Second one 10 20 30. Look and feel should be taken care by programmer, not compiler. Printf is very innocent person. Note the answer 10, 20, 30. Let us take another example. Well, so first format specifier replaced with the second argument 10. Second format specifier with the second format specifier is a float, and the third argument is also float. So that is the reason what answer you got 3.5. Next, third format specifier with the fourth argument. Percentage C is expecting character. Here also I provided character. Correct? That is the reason you got what? E. Percentile D, percentile D, percentile D, 10, 20. Now see, totally we have 3 format specifiers, correct? Now, percentile D when I give you here, what is the answer? 10. Percentile D when I give you here, what is the answer? 20. But for this there is no argument. That is the reason you are going to get what value? Garbage value. For a given format specifier, if there is no argument, then answer is garbage value. Now what is the answer? Can you please guess? Okay, so what is the answer? 10. Yes, garbage value, garbage value. Understand? In the output you will not get GV. Some people are thinking I'll get GV or garbage value. Not that way. You will be getting answer as what? Some 3, 4, 7, 8, some 0. We may get 0 also, we may get. Everything is a garbage value. Unknown value is a garbage value. Now what is the answer? Well, for any format specifier there is no matching argument. That is the reason answer is garbage value, garbage value, garbage value. Next, 12th one. See here. This is very important. Well, so we already told first format specifier is matched with the second argument 10. Second format specifier is matched with the third argument 20. That's all. If there are extra arguments, I don't really care. So have you noticed? More format specifiers, less arguments. More format specifiers, less arguments. Answer is garbage values. Less format specifiers, more arguments, no error. Either the case, there is no error. Understand. Now we'll see the next example. Might be 12. Printf percentile D. Let us take 3 plus 2. Okay, fine. So whenever I write printf percentile D 3 plus 2, what happens? Percentile first 3 plus 2 is 3 plus 2 what? 5. Percentile D is how much? 5. Next example, very important here. Printf percentile D 3 plus 2. Can you please see? Answer is not 5, 3 plus 2. Why? Because 3 plus 2 is outside, 3 plus 2 is inside double quotes. Here it is considered as a plus to print. Here it is considered as addition to perform addition. Very important that is. Let us take another example. Print percentile D plus percentile D 3 plus 2. Can you please guess the output? So percentile D will print what? 5. Plus will print what? Plus. Percentile D will print what? Garbage value. So what is the answer you are going to get? 5 plus garbage value. Next 15th one. Let us take printf percentile D star percentile D equal to percentile D 5 comma 2 comma 5 plus 2. Can you please guess what is the output? Percentile D is replaced with the 5. Star means star. Percentile D is replaced with 2. Equal means equal to. Percentile D is replaced with 7. Understand? This star meant for printing, not for multiplication. This plus meant for addition, not for printing. If you write operator inside the double quotes, it is printed. If you write operator outside the double quotes, it is operated. There is a lot of different. Please don't get confusion. This type of questions only coming in the exam. Next. This is very important. So what is the answer? Percentile 5.5. Most of the time People are thinking answer is a 5. No, answer is not 5. Answer is garbage value. Don't get surprised. If you are surprised, stop it, run it. That's all. Very simple point. Whenever you get confused, go to compiler, any compiler you take, and run that program. Okay. Well, so please listen carefully. For a given format specifier, if the argument is not matched, answer is garbage value, not error. Now see, answer is 5.0 or garbage value. Percentile f is expecting what? Float, but we give what? 5. 5 is integer. That is the reason answer is what? Garbage value. Please be careful. Okay. Well, let me take 18th one also. Here I'll write in here. Okay. Printf, just think, don't go wrong. Well, what is the answer? So I already told integer result is what? Integer. Very important point, that is 5 is what type? Integer. 2 is what type? Integer. Integer result is what? Integer. But this is replaced with what? 2, and this will try to get expect what? Float. But here you give what? Percentile of expects float, but you give here what? Integer. That is the reason answer is what? Garbage value. Now you will guess the correct output. Now what is the answer? Okay, some people are thinking float, in the result is float, I'll get some value. No, we cannot apply modulus on float value. Don't forget that point. Why you are getting error? Because we cannot apply modulus on float value. That is the reason you are getting error. Now you will get the correct output. See, so float result is float, percentile f also expects float, result is 2.5. What is the result? Can you please tell the answer? 1 or minus 1? 1. Why? Result of modulus is remainder, result sign is same as numerator sign. Well, what is the answer? So answer is what? Hello, hi, bye, or only hello? Think and tell the answer. Answer is hello, hi, bye, or only hello? Answer is only hello. Printf will always print only first argument. When will you print second argument and third argument? If there are any format specifiers. So what is the answer? Hello only. No hi bye story, understand. Printf will always print which argument? First argument. 23, little challenging. You better tell the answer. Percentile D, percentile D, percentile D, percentile D, percentile D, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Very important, interesting. Pause the video and better tell the answer. Okay. Well, so you'll be getting variety different answers, but simple rule, understand. Printf will print first argument. First argument should be there in the double quotes. If there is format specifier in the first argument, it will be replaced. If the replacement is matched correctly, print the value. Not matched correctly, garbage value. Not there, garbage value, right? So for this is the first argument. Not matched, so answer is what? Garbage value. For a given format specifier, if the argument is not matched, answer is garbage value. If the argument also not there, answer is garbage value. Now, second format specifier match with the third argument. That is the reason what is the answer? 10. Third format specifier match with the fourth argument. Where is the fourth argument? Here, no? So what is the answer? 20. So answer is garbage value 20, 10, 20. Okay. Let us take TS is a variable. The variable contains 7500. TS is a variable. The variable contains 7500. Now I want to print the value. How do you print the value? I am writing printf TS. What is the answer? TS. Not 7500. Why? Any content which is written in the double quotes is printed as it is, correct? Now, so how we are writing is printf TS. Now we are going to get what? Compilation error. Why? Because compiler always expecting first argument in the double quotes. So how do you write that? Printf percentile D, TS. Now what is the answer? percentile D is replaced with TS, TS value or TS value. What is the TS value? 7,500. TS means total salary. We assumed that way. Printf, for example, if you write TS is equal to percentile D. Now what is the answer? TS is equal to 7,500 or TS is equal to garbage value. First format specifier will match with the second argument. There is no second argument at all, right? So that is the reason what is the answer? TS is equal to garbage value. Now if you write like this, what is the answer? Printf tot sal equal to percentile D comma TS. Now what is the answer? Tot sal equal to percentile D is replaced with what? 7,500. Now I want to add 1,000 rupees to total salary. How do you write that? Okay, let me write this way. Percentile D plus 1,000 comma TS. Now what is the answer? Can you please guess? Percentile D is replaced with what? 7,500 plus 1,000 is printed as this. But the requirement is I should not add 7,000. I should not add 1,000 to 7,500. I should print 8,500, right? How do you write that? TS plus 1,000. So what is the answer? 8,000.